Thank you. God is good. At all the time. Thank you. I'm going to read the eulogy for Mama Loise Wambura Githendui. Birth. The late Loise Wambura Githendui Githae was born in 1992 at Komboine, Kangai Village, Kirinyaga County. She was the daughter of the late Karanga Gethu and the late Josephine Wandama Karanga Gethu. She was sister to late Ada Magondu and the late Ngumbito Karanga. She was mother to the late Evan Motugi Githae and the late Jacinta Motugi, the late Jerushan Jenga and the late Jackson Jenga, the late Julia Gekongi and the late Josiah Gekongi, Douglas Kivara and the late Jacinta Kivara, Penina Jogona and the Penina Jogona and Samuel Jogona, Elizabeth Morioki and late Geoffrey Morioki, Michael Githae and Jane Githae, Godfrey Karanga and Magdalene Karanga, Nancy Kiora and Timothy Kiora, Bansi Wango and the late Simon Gatumo, Rachel Githae, Florence Githae, Gathoni Masharia and Dr. S.K. Masharia, Catherine Madenge and the late Peter Madenge, Ambassador Robinson Jero Githae and Aris Jero, Ronald Motugi and Maritina Motugi, Mary Mureithi and the late Andrew Mureithi, Paris Ritunya and Dr. Weston Ritunya, Alfred Kenywa and Judy Kenywa, Judy Mwaura and John Mwaura, Wangari Karanja and Dr. Engineer Karanja Kibito. Marriage. The late Loise Wambura married a beloved husband, the late Solomon Githendui Githae, in 1941 after they were introduced by her cousin, the late Kamondo Wagithu, who was great friend of her late husband. She was a co-wife to the late Charity Wakareti Githendui and the late Betha Ngondu Githendui. She was an aunt to the late Wanjiro, the late Githaiga, and Esther Wambura, grandmother, great-grandmother, and great-great-grandmother to many. Education. While married with encouragement of her late husband, she attended adult literacy education classes in Gumbaru at Mbaricho Primary School together with her classmate Rael Kebuga. After relocating to Mwea, she continued her education at Marurumo Primary School. Though she was a brilliant student, she had to discontinue her education due to eyesight-related condition. Suffice to say, the teachers left because the bright student had pulled out. The late Loise Wambura supported her husband to keep abreast of education of their children. At times, she would join her husband to take them to school, especially on the first day. Church. The late Wambura Githendui was baptized and later confirmed at Anglican Church, Gasharo, by the late Bishop Obadiah Kariuki. She and her beloved husband were founder members of CPK St. Paul's Cathedral in Embu County and received their founder member certificate from the Diocese of Embu on 1st December 1991. She became a member of Mothers Union on 14th August 1970 and remained an active member until her demise. Christian life. The late Loise Wambura Githendui and her beloved husband were pioneer members of CPK Gatuamba Church, Kiamombo, and ACK St. Philip's Church, Baricho, among others in Kirinyaga County. After relocating to Mwea, she and her husband joined ACK St. Mary's Gategi Church in Embu County and later Marurumo Village, where together with other Christians, she started construction of ACK Trinity Church, Marurumo, Kirinyaga County. She was elected as the chairman of ACK Trinity Church Council, Marurumo, where she served in transparent and accountable manner for many years until she retired in 2009. The late Loise Wambura Githendui, with support of her family, constructed ACK Trinity Church, Marurumo, in commemoration of her late husband, Solomon Githendui Githae, and her co-wives, the late Charity Wakareti Githendui and the late Betha Mondu Githendui. Work life. The late Loise Wambura Githendui and her late husband were passionate and successful farmers who grew both staple and cash crops such as cotton, yellow grams, green grams, cowpeas, sunflower, green grams, chickpeas, maize, and beans. They practiced animal husbandry and they were the main suppliers of milk in Baricho, Marurumo villages, and it is through their successful farming that they were able to feed Marurumo villages whenever there was famine. She was a generous woman who, together with her late husband, sponsored many children in education, and everybody in the village who had a need would comfortably come to them for help. She was a mother to many, a good friend, family counselor. The late Loise Wambura Githendui was fearless, courageous, hardworking, tolerant, patient, and disciplined. She and her husband never believed that any of their children could refuse to attend school or become indisciplined. The late Loise Wambura Githendui was a Trojan for if there was anything that other women in the village were unable to do, they would call upon her. The late Loise Wambura Githendui If the late Loise Wambura Githendui and received formal education, she would become a very good dentist. If you look at her family, members, they all have well-aligned teeth because she would use a knife to remove any tooth that grew from it, overlapping the permanent teeth for failure to remove milk teeth when they became loose. Illness. Apart from suffering meningioma, which would make her get admitted in various hospitals such as Karen, Mpisha, and Aga Khan, the late Loise Wambura Githendui aged gracefully. On Friday, 17th May 2024, Loise Wambura passed on at 8 a.m. peacefully in her sleep at the age of 102 years. Mommy, you fought a good fight. You have finished the race. You have kept the faith. Rest with angels. May God be praised. Michael, with your permission, before I sit down, allow me to say something, because if I don't say it, itakuwa ndani kwa roho. To my sisters and brothers, there is one thing that I would like to assure you before the church, that home, it's all yours. You are welcome anytime. It will be warm for all of us. Thank you very much, and God bless you. You are not homeless.